Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got an instant rice vermicelli out of Hong Kong that came by way of Daniel over at exoticnudes.com. That's Noods. Go check them out. They got subscription boxes, and they have such things as this in there. This is Chewy black garlic and mushroom flavor rice vermicelli. Let's make it so. So the first thing you do, there's rice vermicelli in there, is you add in all the sachet content. I marked a fill line on it, so that saves me a little bit of headache. Let's see. Pour the powder. Yeah, I'm really into this brand too. He sent me one in the same box that had some Nanjikun variety the other day, and that wasn't bad. I mean, it wasn't wonderful, but I mean, it was neat because Nanjikun is like, it's got some cultural background. Nanjikun just basically means Nanji village, and that's where it's made, and that's who makes it, and yeah, it's basically like, it's a collectivist economy. It's really trippy. And I'm sure it terrifies certain people. Just as much as the, wow, I tell you, yesterday, wow, yesterday is when Kamala Harris announced her pick for VP. Was it yesterday? Or has it been 2 days now? Maybe it has been 2 days. I don't know. No, yesterday was that's right. Yesterday was our state election, our primary for governor, and some other races, and I think they went about as I hoped. I don't know. Where's my line? There it is. Alright, boiling water to the line. To the line. Looks good. 3 minutes. And a lid. And over it goes. So that's cool. And, yeah. Happy day today. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the store and get more egg. I'm all out of egg. And the last one I wanted to put a fried egg with, I have a couple of marinated eggs that I think I'll use one with this maybe. I don't know. I'm starting to look at this cup, and I think the vessel that I chose for this variety may be too shallow, because that looks like a lot of... I'm looking at this and I'm looking at that, and I'm thinking something else. I'm gonna go with that. See, that's the tricky part. If I pick something that's way too deep, it's gonna be super shadowy. If I pick something that's too shallow, it's not going to fit. So it's, you know, one or the other. It's hard to find a happy medium in these. In fact, what's kind of funny is a lot of companies have sent me bowls for doing reviews of their products, and the bowls are way too big for their product. It's like, I'll make 2 product and put it in that bowl, but then it looks kind of silly and like way too much. I don't know. It's kind of tricky. So I guess I'm not the only one with the issue of figuring that correctness out, but it'd be kind of neat to make a cheat sheet. I could do that. It's tricky though, because it's like you got a noodle that requires 400 mils of water. The noodle is going to suck up a huge portion of that. And to like figure out that ratio and then figure out where it's at on the bowl, I could like have a list of images of all the bowls I have, and then the amount of liquid type, you know, like 400 mil instant noodle, 500 mil instant noodle, cup that's 300, stuff like that. That is way more OCD than I am, so I don't see myself doing it, honestly. But it'd be kind of a nice thing. Maybe I need to hire somebody to do that. That would be... Damn. Okay, let's see what we got here. Tell me you hydrated. I think you did. Whoa. Yeah, I have a pretty darn strong suspicion that this would not have fit in that bowl and would have caused untold havoc and destruction. So let's have a look at this. Let's get all up in this noodle's grill, as it were. So we'll try the noodle. Rice vermicelli. Mm. 3 minutes is a little short, I would say, on that. And there's our broth. Interesting. It has a little bit of oiliness. Like I said, the vermicelli could use a little more time. All in all, not horrible, but it needs a little something. It needs to be supplied with a little something, because I'm going to add a little something. God, this is freaking hot. Nah, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to spill it. Okay. Slowly fall into the bowl. There. Okay. That went. Now I'm like pondering the thought of adding an egg. It doesn't seem like that's gonna be so wonderful here, but Chinese sausage definitely is a nice addition for this. Of course, some scallion. And maybe some seeds. Yeah. Keeping it mellow. Looks good. All right, so the next one is this. This came out of an Akama Noodles box. You can go to meowboxjapan.com. That's MIAU boxjapan.com. This is Sapporo Ichiban and their Super Mario Brothers Wonder Shio Ramen. Yeah, interesting. It has Wonder Powder in it. You guys keen on Wonder Powder? Well, we'll find out on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. You do it right now. Have a good one. Bye-bye.